Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Berashiko from Kenya, East Africa. And if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much guys for your love and support. In the morning, I heard the noise from our bird. I came to check on them to see what is happening here, but I didn't see any problem with them. So in the midday, this is the time I normally come and collect few eggs from our small scale poultry farming. Today, surprisingly, I didn't manage to get even a single egg. I was so surprised. I heard the noise again from our chicken. I suspect there must be a problem in our farm. I tried removing these few waste here using my small djembe. Oh, I was so scared. I saw a small snake. I tried to catch it, but eventually I didn't manage. It disappeared. So guys, these are measures that we put to stop snakes and rats from accessing our poultry farm. But before we continue, kindly consider subscribing. Like, comment, let me know what you think about today's video. These are some of the measures that we use to control snake. In few minutes, I heard the noise from our chicken again. I saw our cat having some rats. You know, cats feed on rats. I was so surprised today. I'll show you measures we use to control rats here in our village. One of them is having a cat in your home. So at this moment, I'm planting some lemongrass to control snake. Lemongrass scare snakes away from our farm. Hope guys you are learning one or two things from my video. I try as much as possible to cover some holes to control some rodents from coming to our farm. Another way to control snake from coming to our farm is burning this tire. The smoke from tire is not friendly for the snake. There are so many measures to control snakes from coming to your farm. By planting snake plants. But today I don't have snake plants. You can as well plant them in your farm. So guys, another way to control rat is having trap in your poultry farming. Hope you have learned some few things and it will help you in one way or another. So guys, I'm in the farm. I love farming as well. Thank you so much guys for your love and support. Continue subscribing if you haven't. Share, comment, let me know what you think about today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.